Good morning, dear students. I welcome you again in grade 10th class. Today we are going to discuss our next unit, that is the digital presentation. Earlier we had discussed few topics in this unit regarding how to insert a movie clip or how to insert a audio clip. So today we are going to discuss few more topics of our unit digital presentation, like working with tables, how to insert charts, how to insert animations, transitions, etc. But dear class, before going to start our new unit, first of all, there are some basic instructions for you and you have to follow these instructions. Class, day by day cases of coronas are increasing. So it is your moral duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. Always wear a mask. Always maintain a social distancing and use hand sanitizer. So I hope you must follow these instructions so that you can take care of yourself and your family members. So class, now let's start with our unit digital presentation with our topic working with tables. First of all, some introduction part regarding the table. Tables are must be present in a tabular form which consists of various cells, rows, columns. So basically columns includes a vertical size and rows includes a horizontal size, and it includes various type of boxes, and these boxes are called as cells, and each cells can hold text, pictures, chart, animations, formulas, etc. Now, if we want to insert a chart, so where we have to click? First of all, we should open a Microsoft PowerPoint. So here is an option for opening a Microsoft PowerPoint. Like, I have to click on this button. This is the option of a Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if I want to open a blank document, I have to click on this blank presentation. By clicking on this option, here is an blank PPT. So according to our own choice, we can choose the animation or the design. Like here, if I want to insert a new PPT, I can simply click on it. This is the new slide. So there are various types of options appears regarding the design of new PPT. So according to our own choice, we can choose a PPT. Like here, I have to choose this. So this is a new PPT. Now, if I want to insert a chart, where I have to click, these are the various options in the PPT. Like this is the option of a insert chart. I have to click on this, and then there are again various options appears which includes different type of charts. So it is our own choice that which type of chart we want. Like here, columns, line, pie chart, bar chart, etc. Like here, I have to choose the column chart. I have to click on this button column and then OK. Now you see here this type of chart appears. So class, just see, by clicking on the column chart, this type of chart appears. So this is our table. Now we have to enter our data according to our own choice, that which type of chart or which type of data we want. Like here, I have to enter the data related with the months, like January. Next one is the February, then March. So it is our own choice that which type of data we want to enter. Like here, food items, vegetables, fruits, drinks, and we have to enter data according to our own choice. Like here, I have to enter 80. Oh, clear? So same like we have to enter the data and we have to make a chart. Now see here, whenever we have to enter a data, automatically all the chart starts prepare. Like here, If I have to enter January, now you can see January month automatically appears, January, February, March, and these are the different products. So these are the sales, that how much sales is occurs in the different months regarding the different food items. So this is the way that how we can insert a chart or a table. Like if I want to give the title of the chart, I have to simply click it here and then write the title. Like this is the chart of the ABC company. So simply I can write the title here. Now class, if I want to change the color of this title, now simply I can select it, and these are the options of changing the color. Like here I have to choose the red color. You can see automatically color changes of the title. So here I can choose the blue color. So you can see that here there is a changes in the color. So this is the way that you can also make the change in the title. And with the help of these 4 paragraphs options, you can also make a setting in the text. Like here I have to choose the right. So you can easily see by clicking on the right button, our text move towards the right side. If I can click on this button, this is the left button. So automatically our title of the chart also moves to the left button. So with the help of a paragraph setting, you can also make the changes in the text also. So class, this is the way that how you can insert a chart and how you can make the changes in the chart. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.